Welcome guys, today I am going to talk about all features and specifications of upcoming smartphone Samsung Galaxy A6. If you guys like the video, then please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, so do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. As you all know, Samsung is going to launch Galaxy A6 very soon, and then A6 Plus will be coming to the market. So now I will talk about specs and full features of Samsung Galaxy A6. Samsung will soon add another A series option to its 2018 lineup, and that is Galaxy A6 as the younger brother of Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. The price of Samsung Galaxy A6 in India is expected to be between 18,000 to 20,000, and Galaxy A6 probably will be launched in May or June of this year 2018. As I told about A6 Plus in my previous video, Samsung usually follows a unified design throughout all A series every year, and the Galaxy A6 design is expected to be similar to Galaxy A8 Plus, and thus this phone will give you a very nice and premium quality design, and this device looks very much attractive. There is a fingerprint scanner as the security options is placed at the back below of the camera, so you can use that fingerprint sensor to quickly unlock your phone using your finger. The phone is expected to flaunt glass on front and rear, and 5.6-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1080 pixel by 2220 pixel, and offers a pixel density of 411 ppi, and the screen is expected to be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass to make the screen scratch free. On the software front, the handset runs the Android version 8 Oreo operating system out of the box. As far as the battery is concerned, then there is a non-removable 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which is good enough to last for an entire day under moderate to heavy usage. If we talk about the camera of this Samsung Galaxy A6, then Galaxy A6 comes with 13 megapixel rear and 8 megapixel front-facing shooter, and it will support face detection and high dynamic range imaging as well. The rear shooter also is assisted with an LED flash that will help you to take low-light photos and videos. You can use the front-facing shooter for making video calls and capturing selfies. As far as the specifications are concerned, then at its heart, the smartphone is powered by an octa-core 1.6 GHz Cortex A53, which is nicely seated upon Exynos 7870 chipset. This device also has 3 GB of RAM for nice multitasking experience, and it gets Mali T830 MP1 GPU on this device for playing games. Now I am going to talk about connectivity options of Samsung Galaxy A6. This device is coming along with dual SIM support, include 4G with VoLTE support, GPS, Bluetooth 5, NFC, Wi-Fi, and a USB Type-C port. On the storage front, you will get 32 GB of internal storage, and which can be expanded up to 256 GB further using a micro SD card. Therefore, Samsung Galaxy A6 is packed with elegant design, decent configurations, quality features, great camera sets, fingerprint scanner, good battery life, affordable price, and deliver powerful performance due to its processor. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A6 of 2018 is going to be one of the best devices around this price tag. So that's all for today guys. Hope this video will help you to find those things you are looking for about Samsung Galaxy A6. And friends, if you find this video helpful, then please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Keep loving, keep supporting, keep sharing, and see you in my next video.